Good afternoon, everybody. It's Courtney back with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about Prizerebel, how you can use it every single day to make money. So you'll see here it says 10% survey bonus. It ends the 16th. So you'll want to jump on this. If you're diamond level, plus you earn an extra 5% bonus. So for you, it'd be 15%. I have 65 points. That's equal to 65 cents. Here's your daily challenge. It will be different for everybody, your streak, and your different levels. So, um, let me make this bigger. You will have a level rewards bonus. If you do 6 of these 72-cent surveys a day, that'll get you almost to your $6 or your $5, and then you can do some offers. You can go to the reward store. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, make sure you check out previous videos because I've done those. This is just like an overview. There's more than 17 pages worth of rewards that you can choose from. Um, but you can do surveys, you can do offers, you can watch videos, you can invite your friends like I'm doing here, you can enter raffles and contests, you can buy rewards, you can do this every single day, make $5 a day, $35 a week to pay off debt, to buy gas, to buy groceries, to start a side hustle, whatever it is that you want to do, you can use Prizerebel to do it. So there's a bunch of survey providers that you can choose from. Like I said, I always stay with this 72-cent one. It's a daily survey. You're not going to qualify for every survey. That's just not how it goes. So you can fill in with some offers and watching videos for the ads so you can earn money. If you have any questions, please drop them below. I will be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell notification when I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching.